Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 24th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure to watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the pound dollar is definitely drifting down pretty nicely, but we have to keep in mind that all the higher time frames really have not given us any reason yet to think that this is definitely going down. We have to realize that potentially it could bounce from a fib level and go all the way back up. So we still kind of have to lean towards longs a little bit because the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend. Now, what I got going on here is I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. Because if it does make some sort of a three-way pattern up to one of these fib levels and then it turns down impulsively, then that definitely would be a pretty decent short. And then to me, it would make more sense if it did end up going down to at least one of these much lower Fibonacci levels. But like I said, I would be a little bit cautious. I would really only want to get short if I saw a nice engulfing move at a fib level because all the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.